Hi, today we are going to learn how to create content library from scratch. The CM Download Manager creates a secure directory of files. Users can download and upload files, all moderated by the admin. In this example use case guide, we'll cover how to create a download directory from bottom up. It will include audio and video preview, password-protected downloads, and more. We consider that you have already bought the plugin and installed it. After downloading and installing the plugin on your WordPress site, navigate to CM Downloads Pro User Guide. Scroll down to System Information. It should display PHP version greater than 5.4, PHP CURL is on, and PHP upload size greater than 1M. Adding first download. There is no download directory without downloads. Every user has a dashboard. It starts empty, but we will populate it now. The link is located on the top of the settings screen. You can also add links to the menu for index page and user dashboard. Just navigate to the plugin settings and under the General tab in the navigation section enable two options that you see on the screen. From your downloads dashboard you can add your first download by clicking the Add New button. Fill in all needed information and upload the file. This includes name and description, category, download type, actual files, tags, notes, screenshots, thumbnail, and other fields. You can change some of the aspects of the upload page in plugin settings under Upload Page tab. You can edit features, require description, make categories obligatory, add agreement text, and more. You can also configure visual, change template, modify category bar look, reorder fields, and more. After you finish entering all of the information in the appropriate fields of the new download form and you save the download, you will receive a notification of the successful upload. Click on the View link to see how your file will appear in the Download Manager. So we have uploaded our first file. In the same way, you and your users can add much more downloads to the content library. Next, define which file types are permitted in the Upload Page tab under the Features section. Users will only be able to upload these file types. You should separate them by commas. You can use more than default index page. Let's learn how to configure the index and add widgets. Shortcodes have attributes that allow them to restrict their content. Show the index page on other parts of the site using the shortcode CMDM index. You can also use additional attributes as an example that you can see on the screen. The following shortcode will display upload form, and the next shortcode will display login form as seen in the CMDM login form widget. You can also place some user elements like My Downloads page using the shortcode CMDM My Downloads. The plugin includes a series of sidebar widgets. To add them, navigate to Admin Dashboard, Appearance, Widgets. For example, you can add Login widget, widget for display and dashboard links, widget for top downloads, search widget, and widget that displays popular tags. Enabling notification for the new downloads. To adjust the notification settings, first navigate to Settings to the Notifications tab. Under the New Download section, the admin can create the email template for notifications about new downloads using our supported shortcodes. Here are several examples of shortcodes that you can use to customize an email message's content. The admin can choose who will receive email notifications about new downloads. Choose Groups Members if you want to notify the restricted groups members. Choose Users Assigned Directly to notify users assigned directly to downloads. Translating interface. If your site is not in English, that's okay. You can translate the front-end text. Navigate to the Labels tab. Here you can edit all important labels of the plugin, from buttons to headers. Adding a disclaimer. Navigate to the General tab, Disclaimer section. A download disclaimer is a short text that states the terms and conditions for using your site's download area. The admin can control the visibility and functionality of their WordPress download area disclaimer and add the text of both the disclaimer itself and the accept or reject buttons. Following instructions found in the plugin and guides, you should be able to create a secure directory of files where users can download and upload files, all moderated by the admin. Thanks for watching the video.